What we're looking at here is this is a 4R70W transmission, and we're looking at the Overdrive Servo right here. And this has a problem. A lot of times, if you can see this, I will point to it, with the snap ring breaking. So if you look here, you'll see this hook on this end. You see that it's gone. Okay, that piece has broken off and is somewhere. Make sure you find that piece. Okay, it's in the valve body somewhere. Make sure you find it. A lot of times it's jammed up and will cause you to lose overdrive in one of those bores somewhere. Okay, this is what it's supposed to look like. You got two hooks on there, one here, one here. On a rebuild, make sure you always replace this. Okay, now, but here's the question. When a part breaks like this, how do you get it out? You don't have anything to hook onto. You got something to hook onto when it's like this. But now, it's going to be hard to get this part out. Okay, you can try to take something and slide underneath it. Like this, you could try to slide and pull it out. I guarantee you that's going to be rough to do because it's designed to stay against that side. So it's going to be rough to try to get underneath it. Okay, you can try. Let me see here. And I'm trying to do this without taking it down. I'll put a little pressure. Okay, trying to go right underneath there. Okay, that's going to be rough. So what we're going to do is push it down. Well, if you push it down, it's going to be harder yet. Okay, if you push it down, because it's going to start to slide around. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I get this out. Okay, move this around. What you want to find is a sidewall, a thick piece, and you want it to be thick enough to where you don't go to the other side. Next, you're going to need a drill, and what you're going to end up doing, you're going to drill a little groove right on the side of it. However, you cannot go so deep as to go on the other side and to pull on this other side, put a hole in this other side, or you will have a problem. You just want to drill enough to where you can get a pick on the opposite side of that snap ring and pull it out. Okay, then when you put the brand new snap ring in, where this hole is, you just have the space of the snap ring right here so that it will not interfere, or that hole doesn't interfere in case you drill to where it won't go all the way into the groove. Okay, so I'm going to show you. We're going to go right there. Let's see what we could do here. I had to get this out, so let me put this on slow. Again, make sure you don't push all the way through the opposite side there, or you'll be messed up. Now you take this tool, because You need to press this down. What this tool does is compresses that against the spring there. Alright, let me see if I can find a pick. I got some somewhere here. And where you put that groove in there, you want to get in behind it and pull that over. So, let's see here. Don't look like I drilled it enough. So when you drill it enough, you can get that out. Alright, so let me see here. Nope, I didn't drill it enough. So I am going to drill some more. This one, I changed the drill bit. That one looked like it went in there right. Make sure it don't come out the other side. Yep. All right. See? If you can see, that's starting to move. Show you there. Right here, there's a hole is there. You see that snap ring is moving right there. So now you can get in behind it. So let me put this compressor back on. See if I can get it now. Should be able to get it. Okay, compressed. Now let's see if I can get this. There it is. See it starting. Okay, let me let you see. See right there. See it moving. See, I moved it out of the groove there. So now I can get behind this. Get it out. There it is. Alright, so we got it out. If you can see, it's coming up. I got it past that part there. Okay, so now I can just go ahead and pull that up. If you can see, it's coming up. Got it out. So you see, it's broken here. Right there. So you always want to replace this with a brand new one. Every time you go into one, replace it, because it gets stressed out and it will snap off. Now I'm going to take this out and let you see the little hole that I put behind there. There's something easy to do, just you can't get crazy with the drill. Whoa, see, oh man, I forgot. See, I forgot to let this up. All right, let's get this out the way. All right, so we got it out. Let's see here. We got this out here, and I'm gonna let you see where this hole is located, or groove. All right, so here we are. There's that little groove right there. Okay, and that allows you to get a pick and get on the inside and pop it out. You got to make sure when you drill this that it doesn't go all the way to the other side, because then you have a leak coming across there, a cross leak. You don't want that. Okay, now when you get the new snap ring, you want to make sure when you put it in that the space between here, the groove that you cut right there, excuse me, is in between this space. Okay, so when you put it in, you make sure they end up just like this, just like that. Then you won't have a problem. And if this was ever break again, for somebody else who's rebuilding this with a case, they already have a part there, a little notch where they can get the broken piece out. Okay, so this is just a tip on getting this snap ring out, a broken snap ring out on the Overdrive Servo on a 4R70W, 4R75W, 4R75E transmission.